1. Not one report contains the words, "I hit him." Not one cop, not one EMT, not a doctor. 2. Leaf blower solo cups, stop and shop bag for evidence collection. Only interviewed 3 people and arrested Karen within 17 hours. 3. Lead investigator fired, has ties to Albert and McCabe's, his name tied to almost all evidence, kept clothing for 2 weeks, should have recused himself immediately. 4. So far at least 3 people lied to the grand jury, Karen should have not been indicted. 5. 2 main witnesses, Brian Albert and Brian Higgins, got rid of their phones one day before the order. 6. Not one photo of the murder weapon before it entered the Sally port. 7. Sergeant Barrow said light was cracked, not completely missing. 8. Nagel and Maxon both said they did not see John in the car. Nagel said Karen had her hands at 10 and 2 like she was ready to leave. 9. Pieces of glass on bumper did not match the drinking glass. Only one piece matched and it was collected by Proctor. 10. Jen McCabe's testimony about seeing Karen's car at 12:45, 2:27 a.m. Google search timeline for Peggy lying to feds. 11. Carrie Roberts admits to not hearing Karen ask to search for how long to die in cold. She saw it on the timeline. 12. Video gone from 3 of them, leaving one Meadows video missing from library, video missing from Sally Port. 13. Found pieces of tail lights for days and weeks after the 29th. Not one person at the scene that morning saw any tail light in the snow or on the ground. No EMT, no cop. 14. Search spent only 45 minutes looking for evidence. They should have stayed for hours. 15. Recused canon officers all over this case. 16. Not one person leaving 34 Fairview saw a body on the lawn and they all drove by that area. 17. Chloe was a biter. Sarah Levinson stated she never saw her and she's been at the home at least 20 times. 18. Corrupt and biased judge should have recused herself. 19. Perjury conflicts of grand juries, changing testimonies in all 3. 20. Judge picked an ex-cop as the foreman of the jury and he blocked questions by the jurors. 21. Colin and Allie's texts were on paper, not digital, Life 360 data. 22. Inverted Sally Port video, timestamps are also backwards. 23. Proctor time reporting of when the SUV was taken was wrong, all numbers. 24. Brian and Nicole Albert did not hear any commotion outside of the house, and Brian is a certified first responder who could have helped Officer John O'Keefe before any help arrived. 25. Jen McCabe did not go into her sister's house to see if anyone else was hurt, called 911 and whispered there is a man found in the snow. 26. Mysterious next day meeting with Jen McCabe, Lang, and Proctor off the record. 27. Interviews by police while other people were in close proximity. 28. No interviews were audio taped. So much reasonable doubt. Free Karen Reed.